Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the air filter and the cabin filter on BMW 330D E46. That's the air filter box right there. We need to remove the bolts that are holding the filter box so that we can remove the air filter. In order to remove the air filter box, we need to remove the cabin filter, which is on top of the engine, so that we can remove the air filter box. Next, we remove the cabin filter housing. It's held by a couple of screws which are unscrewed by hand. That's the cabin filter housing, just out now. That's the cabin filter. Now we remove where the cabin filter sits so that we can get to the last bolt on the air filter housing. That's the air filter housing now loose. We can take it out and change the air filter, and then put back the air filter housing, and then put the cabin filter again, and that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.